kanina po, chika ko sila, Don, hindi live. Tape na siya. Tape as live.
Okay.
Oo. Miss Jeannie?
Yung question na rin sa kanilang dalawa, anong feeling nila? Parang totoong-totoo. Kung pagbabasihan yung reaction ng masa, parang feeling nila totoong ikakasal kayo. Tapos kung titignan mo, parang mas bongga pa yung wedding nyo. Yung magiging wedding nyo, kaysa sa wedding talaga ng mga ibang tao or ibang artista.
Okay, before you answer that, Jody and Richard, ito muna yung sagot ni Miss Jeannie tungkol doon sa Tape as Live episode.
Kasi ayaw namin yung parang putol-putol siyang isushoot.
Yeah, so wedding lang talaga siya. Sa November 15, wedding lang talaga ang makapanood.
Wedding. But parang for the record, it's going to be the longest wedding airing sa isang soap opera. Kasi from now until November, the week after November 15, meron tayong wedding, the reception and everything.
So it's the whole experience, no, Miss Jeannie?
Question, gaano kalaki ang budget para sa wedding pa? Oo nga. Mas malaki pa ba ito kaysa sa budget ng itong wedding?
Baka, kasi yung technical aspect sobrang malaki. Pero marami kasi kami sponsors, so medyo na-bring down yung budget, but we don't want to appear na malaki-malaki because that's not Maya's character. As much as possible, everything is kept simple.
Okay.
Okay,
Sa siyang dalawa,
Jody?
anong feeling nyo na parang para sa ibang tao, sa mas parang totoong wedding ito? And mas bongga pa ba itong wedding na to kaysa sa mga totoong naging wedding yung dalawa?
That's a long question, Don. Richard?
It seems so surreal, no? Kasi parang totoong wedding lang talaga to. Kaya may wedding jitters na kami dalawa.
Jody?
Ayun. And then, syempre yung wedding, syempre inayon ni Sir Chief sa character, syempre, sa gusto ni Maya. So yun, katulad ng sabi ni Miss Jeannie, may simple lang siya, but very elegant and classy.
Okay. Thank you, Don. Susunod ka rin ba sa mga pamahiin? Kasi may mga pamahiin yan, di ba?
Yes.
Kaya na.
Hindi pwedeng makita ng groom ang bride na nakasuot yung gown. At syempre, hindi rin as much as possible iiwasan ni Maya na i-fit yung kanyang wedding gown bago dun sa wedding mismo.
Isukat.
Kasi individually, alam naman natin, di ba, na meron kayong kanyang partner. Pero anong sikreto? Bakit it appears na kapag magkasama kayo sa kilig series, parang nakakalimutan yung individual partner? Yung sa inyong dalawa ang nasisentro ng attention.
Siguro unang-una, dahil simula pa lang nung aming programa, we didn't have to pretend na there was something going on between us. Kumbaga, umpisa pa lang, alam naman din ng mga tao na may mga respective partners kami. Kumbaga, yung ginawa namin, syempre, dun sa trabaho namin, very professional. And syempre, kung ano yung kailangan or kung ano man yung hinihingi ng script, as much as possible, yun talaga yung binibigay namin.
I think nasagot na ni Jody lahat.
Tawa lang ng tawa si Sir Chief. Hindi, follow up last na. Anong naging message Jody ng partner mo at Papa Che, ni Mama Che, na yung ikakasal kayong dalawa?
Ano daw, best wishes?
Invited ba sila? A-appear ba sila doon sa wedding as guests?
Hindi. Hindi naman. Wala naman silang comments. Or violent reactions. Wala naman. They're very supportive. Both of us.
Thank you. Thank you, Leo.
May question for Sir Chief. Paki-expound lang bakit ka nagkaka-wedding jitters.
Well, this is as real to, you know, as it comes to a real wedding. So lahat ng preparations nandyan, counseling, rehearsals and all that for the wedding preparations, talagang ginagawa din dito. So, well, kung in character kami, we have to get into the character also. So, we feel what it feels like to be in a real wedding also.
How about you, Jody? Are you having also wedding jitters?
Minsan nga sinasabi ko, naku, konti na lang. Parang totoong-totoo, tulad ng sabi ni Sir Chief, yung from the rehearsals, sa wedding preparations, kung ano talaga yung pinagdaraanan ng isang couple bago sila ikasal, ganun-ganun din yung pinagdaraanan ni Maya and ni Sir Chief.